In this video, I'm going to show you how to start buying and selling crypto through spot trading on Bitget in just a few simple steps. I will show you how to create an account, deposit funds, and navigate the Bitget spot trading interface like a pro. Plus, I will show you how to claim up to 6,200 USDT in welcome bonuses and trading rewards. But first things first, you will need a Bitget account. If you do not have one, click the link in the description below and create an account. The beauty of Bitget is that it is one of the most beginner-friendly exchanges with lightning-fast execution, deep liquidity, and over 500 cryptocurrencies available for spot trading. Once you use the link in the description below, you will automatically unlock the welcome bonus package. Make sure you only use the link from the description so you do not get phished and get scammed. It is very common in crypto, so just be careful. Before we dive into the tutorial, let me quickly explain why Bitget has become one of the top choices for spot trading, especially if you are just starting out. First, Bitget offers one of the largest selections of cryptocurrencies. We are talking over 500 coins and tokens. Whether you want to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, or discover new altcoins before they hit major exchanges, Bitget has you covered. Second, the platform has incredibly deep liquidity. What does that mean for you? It means you can buy and sell large amounts without worrying about slippage or bad prices. Your orders execute fast and at the price you see on the screen. Third, Bitget has some of the lowest trading fees in the industry. Standard spot trading fees start at just 0.1%, and if you use my referral link, you will get additional fee discounts on top of that. Fourth, the interface is clean and intuitive. Unlike some exchanges that overwhelm you with charts and data, Bitget keeps things simple while still giving advanced traders all the tools they need. And finally, the welcome bonus. Bitget is currently offering new users up to 6,200 USDT in rewards. This includes deposit bonuses, trading rebates, and trial funds. It is one of the most generous offers in crypto right now, and you would be leaving money on the table if you do not take advantage of it. So, whether you are buying your first Bitcoin or you are an experienced trader looking for a reliable platform, Bitget checks all the boxes. Now, let us get into the actual tutorial. All right, let us get you set up. Once you click the link in the description, you will land on the Bitget registration page. You can sign up with your email address and create a strong password. I'm talking uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Make it secure and then hit create account, then boom, you have got your account. Now Bitget will send a verification code to your email. Go check your inbox, copy that code, and paste it into the verification box. If you do not see it, check your spam folder. Once you verify your email, boom, you are in. You now have a Bitget account. No KYC required to start trading, but I do recommend completing it later if you want higher withdrawal limits and access to all features. Now, before we move on, let me show you one quick security step you should do right away. Go to your account settings, click on security, and enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account. You can use Google Authenticator or SMS verification. I personally prefer Google Authenticator because it is more secure. All right, account created and secured. Now let us get some funds in there. Now that your account is set up, let us deposit some funds so you can start trading. Bitget gives you multiple ways to deposit, so I will show you the two most common methods. At the top right corner of the screen, you will see a button that looks like Wallet. Hover it, then select Deposit from the drop-down menu. Method 1 is to deposit crypto from another wallet or exchange. This is the most common method if you already own crypto. First, select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Let us say you want to deposit USTD because it is a stable coin and most trading pairs use it. Next, and this is very, very important, select the correct network. Bitget supports multiple networks for USDT, including ERC20, which is Ethereum, TRC20, which is Tron, BEP20, which is Binance Smart Chain, and several others. Here's the key rule. The network you select on Bitget must match the network you are sending from. If you are sending USDT from Binance on the TRC20 network, you must select TRC20 on Bitget. If the networks do not match, your funds will be lost forever. So double check this before you send anything. Once you select the network, Bitget will generate a deposit address for you. Copy that address, go to your external wallet or exchange, paste the address, enter the amount you want to send, and confirm the transaction. I always recommend sending a small test amount first, especially if it is your first time. Send 10 or 20 USDT, wait for it to arrive, and once you confirm it is in your Bitget account, then send the rest. Better safe than sorry. Depending on the network you chose, your deposit should arrive within a few minutes. Ethereum can take longer during high traffic, but Tron and Binance Smart Chain are usually very fast. Method 2 is to buy crypto directly with a credit or debit card. This is perfect if you do not own any crypto yet. From the top menu, click Buy Crypto. Select the bank deposit and then choose the currency you want to buy. All right, your account is funded. Now let us dive into spot trading. Now let us go to the spot trading interface. At the top of the screen, hover over Trade and click Spot from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the main spot trading dashboard. Let me break down what you are looking at because I know it can seem overwhelming at first, but it is actually very simple once you understand the layout. On the left side, you will see the trading pairs list. This shows all the available cryptocurrencies you can trade. At the top, you can search for any specific coin. You can also filter by different categories like USDT pairs, BTC pairs, or ETH pairs. For beginners, I recommend sticking with USDT pairs because they are the most liquid and easiest to understand. Let us say I want to trade Ethereum. I will search for ETH in the search bar, then click on ETH/USDT. This means I am trading Ethereum against USDT. In the center of the screen, you have got the price chart. This shows the price movement of your selected trading pair over time. You can switch between different time frames like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, or 1 day, or whatever you prefer. You can also add technical indicators if you are into chart analysis, but for basic spot trading, you do not need to worry about that yet. On the right side, you will see the order book. This shows all the current buy and sell orders on the market. The green numbers are buy orders and the red numbers are sell orders. This gives you an idea of where other traders are placing their orders and what the current market depth looks like. Below the chart, you will see recent trades. This is a live feed of every trade that just happened on this pair. It updates in real time so you can see the exact prices people are buying and selling at. And finally, on the far right, you have got your order panel. This is where you will actually place your trades. Let me show you how to use it. All right, let us place your first spot trade. I'm going to show you the two main types of orders, market orders and limit orders. A market order is the simplest way to trade. When you place a market order, you are buying or selling at whatever the current market price is. Your order executes instantly. This is great when you want to get in or out of a position quickly, but keep in mind you might not get the exact price you see on the screen, especially during high volatility. Here is how to place a market order. Make sure you're on the Buy tab if you want to buy, or the Sell tab if you want to sell. At the top of the order panel, click Market. Now enter the amount you want to trade. You can enter it in two ways. You can enter the amount of USDT you want to spend, or you can enter the amount of ETH you want to buy. Bitget will automatically calculate the other side for you. Let us say I want to spend 10 USDT to buy Ethereum. I will enter 100 in the USDT field. Bitget shows me exactly how much ETH I will receive after fees. If everything looks good, I will click Buy ETH. Confirm the order, and just like that, I now own Ethereum. You will see it show up in your spot wallet immediately. Now let us talk about limit orders. A limit order gives you more control. Instead of buying at the current market price, you set a specific price you want to buy or sell at. Your order will only execute if the market reaches that price. This is useful when you want to get a better entry or exit point, but there is no guarantee your order will fill if the price does not reach your target. Here's how to place a limit order. Click on the Limit tab. Choose Buy or Sell. Now enter the price you want to buy or sell at. Let us say Ethereum is currently trading at 2,900 USDT, but I want to buy it at 2,850 USDT. I will enter 2,850 in the price field. Then I will enter the amount of ETH I want to buy. Bitget will show me the total cost in USDT. Click Buy ETH and your order is now placed. You will see your open order at the bottom of the screen under Open Orders. Your order will sit there until someone sells Ethereum at your price or until you cancel it. If you want to cancel an order, just click the Cancel button next to it. One more thing, Bitget also offers stop limit orders, which are more advanced. These let you set a trigger price and a limit price, which is useful for risk management. But for your first trades, stick with market and limit orders until you get comfortable. All right, you have made your first trade. Now let me show you how to manage your portfolio. Click on Assets at the top right, then select Spot Account. Here you will see all the cryptocurrencies you currently hold, along with their current value in USDT. You can also see your total portfolio value and your 24-hour profit and loss. Now, when you are ready to sell, the process is exactly the same as buying, just in reverse. Go back to the spot trading page, make sure you are on the right trading pair, click Sell, enter the amount you want to sell, and confirm. Your crypto will be converted back to USTD, and you will see your USTD balance increase. If you want to withdraw your funds, hover to the wallet symbol again, then at the drop-down, click the Withdraw. Select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, enter the destination address, choose the network, enter the amount, and confirm. Make sure the address and network are correct before you confirm, or your funds could be lost, and that is it. You now know how to use spot trading on Bitget from start to finish. Before you go, remember to use the link in the description below to claim your welcome bonus of up to 6,200 USDT. This bonus is only available if you use my link, so definitely do not miss out on that. If this video was helpful, please do not forget to drop a like down below and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more crypto content like this. I post tutorials on trading strategies, platform guides, and the latest crypto opportunities every week. And if you want a full breakdown of Bitget's futures trading or copy trading features, let me know in the comments and I will make a video on that next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Happy trading.